answer. Okay,
Don't tadlo.
What is the name of Mickey Mouse dog?
Alsa tali. Yun na tali.
Dog. Mickey Mouse dog.
Dog ni Mickey Mouse.
Yes. No. Mickey Mouse.
Tali. Dog ni Mickey Mouse.
Puto. Winner. Dito Arne.
Ah! Dito Arnel. Ryan.
The name of Mickey Mouse dog is Pluto. Okay. Wala mo nakatulog ha. Open siya sa adult.
Dili, bata lang.
For adults. Dalauna sa kids.
Bata lang guys.
Question.
Tali, tali, listen.
Okay. What do you call the frozen water? Wala magalit. Wala mag-answer ka. Dili lang sa kids. Okay, wala na. Na-answer na sa...
Nanitingog dito.
St. Anthony. Okay. Sige. Listen na.
Tali, mag-apil ka.
What?
Baka nag-listen.
But no head.
Dali.
Has a neck, but no head. Chicken, wrong.
Ikaw tali.
What does a head? What has a neck, but no head? Wrong. No hint. This is a silly question. This is a riddle. Again. Okay, Bibi. Again, what has a neck but no head? Wrong. Okay, the answer is bottle. Guys,
Oh.
tahu sila.
Ay!
Oh, because you cannot answer man. So, answering. Okay, another question. What animal can hop and has a pouch? Wait, Again. I will change the question. Wala may nakakita. What's the answer? Kangaroo. Okay, change the question. Ay, sit down lang. Dito lang. Yeah. There. Sit down. Okay. Keeps the doctor away. Okay.
Kuya! Diri kuya! Klinikan! Diri!
Itago sa naman candy. Itago na.
Oh, I will count man.
Okay, another question.
Panghatag di ay.
Okay, listen. Okay, another
Hoy,
question.
diri! Nabasa ko!
Who wears a red suit and delivers gifts on Christmas? Okay, Simon. Santa Claus. Simon.
Yay! Riri! Nabasa ko, Riri!
Okay, next question. Okay, this is a riddle, okay? What gets better the more it dries? What gets better the more it dries? Towel, correct! Okay. Next question. Listen.
Di na magbalik-balik ha.
Okay. What do plants need to grow? Okay, baby girl. Water and has keys but can't open doors. What has keys but can't open doors? Reading. Why you raise your hand? Again. What has keys but can't open doors? What you
Nagpadla si Ate Princess.
No. It's piano.
Ay, tama.
Okay. Sige, another question.
Dali. Listen.
How many hours are in one day?
Dali.
Okay, Prince. 24 hours. Congratulations, Prince. Okay, another question. What animal is known for changing its color? Who's it? Si Bibi, yes, Bibi. No?
Dali.
No? Isa, ito. Ikan. Yes, it's a chameleon! Congratulations, Mikal!
Magana
Okay,
na.
another question. Who is the princess in Sleeping Beauty?
Dali. Dali.
Tia. Aurora is correct. Okay, another question. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. What do we use to measure temperature?
Dali.
Head now, head.
Dali. Dali.
Yes. Thermometer, correct.
Sa may tali ay.
Okay. Ito. Another
Dali.
What has a tail but no body? What has a tail but no body? Bibi. So, yes. Corn is correct. What has a tail but no body? Head and tail. Pantay ka. Okay, another question. What has legs but doesn't walk? Wrong. Wrong.
Dali. Dali.
Wrong. It's a table. Congratulations, Sally.
Ay, narigot pa. Kani akong gano table. Kadloan ni Granite.
Based on ChatGPT. This one. What is the name?